the founder of the International Parenting and Health Institute. Thank you for connecting with us on this page. If you have not already, in order not to miss any of our notifications, make sure you do click on receiving our notifications. I believe it's the bell. Otherwise, you may easily miss some of our great posts. We have begun doing a lot of reels, a lot of live interviews, in addition to some of the regular posts that we have. So if you'd like to catch up on any of our missing posts, you can click on our IGTV tab, and you can see a number of interviews that have been done over the last few weeks. And if you'd like to check out our reels, we do these little short bits with some inspiring information for all of you. You can click on our reels tab to check out more. If you are interested in learning more about our programs, you can visit parentinghealthinstitute.com. And for those of you that are specifically interested in reading a little bit more, I have several books. One is A Baby Planner Profession, What You Need to Know, which I wrote in 2009. Green Body, Green Birth, which I launched in 2010. And my latest book is Awakening Through Sleep, a transformational and spiritual guide for pregnancy, adult, and child sleep. They are all available on Amazon, and I enjoy sharing information that has really come through my heart and soul. It's the holistic perspective of how I see things, and a lot of the information that I share is backed up by science. Actually, all of it is backed up by science. I don't like to make things up or share things that are from the air, right, from thin air. So it's science, but also combined with the insights that I've had based on my experience. So I welcome all of you to check out our IGTV, our Reels, our website. If you want to read our books and learn more about what we're doing, we are on a mission to transform lives and evolve humanity around the world. We sincerely believe it does begin with every child at conception. That is the journey of when our humanity begins, and we have the power to make a difference. Thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to connecting with you more.